Introduction. Explanation of the current economic climate in 2023. It is difficult to provide an accurate explanation of the current economic climate in 2023, as the future is uncertain and can be affected by a wide range of factors. However, in general, the economic climate of a country or region is determined by a variety of macroeconomic indicators such as GDP, unemployment rate, inflation rate, and interest rates. Purpose of the video: to provide money-making ideas for viewers. The purpose of the video is to provide the viewer with a variety of ideas for making money in the year 2023. The video aims to provide both online and offline opportunities, as well as passive and active income streams. The video hopes to inspire the viewer to take action and start earning more money, whether it be through starting a business, investing in stocks or real estate, or taking on a traditional side hustle. The video also hopes to provide valuable information and resources for the viewer to learn more about the topics covered in the video and how to implement the ideas discussed. Overall, the purpose of the video is to help the viewer increase their financial stability and achieve their financial goals. Online businesses. Selling products on e-commerce platforms, e.g. Amazon, Etsy. Selling products on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Etsy involves setting up a seller account on the platform, listing your products for sale, and managing customer orders and shipping. The platform will typically take a commission on each sale, and there may be additional fees for certain services such as using a fulfillment center to store and ship your products. It is important to research the fees and terms of each platform and to ensure that your products comply with the platform's policies and legal requirements. Additionally, to succeed in e-commerce, you may want to invest in marketing and customer engagement, such as building a brand, creating a website, and using social media to promote your products. Sponsorships. Blogs and YouTube channels can also earn money through sponsorships. This means that a company pays the blog channel owner to feature their product or service in a video or post. This is a more direct form of advertising, as the sponsor will tell what they want to be shown in the video. Affiliate marketing. Blogs and YouTube channels can also earn money through affiliate marketing. This means that the blog channel owner promotes a product or service, and if someone clicks on the link and buys the product, the blog channel owner earns a commission. Product service sales. Blogs and YouTube channels can also sell their own products and services, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting services. Drop shipping. When you dropship, you can sell a wide variety of products without having to invest in inventory upfront. This allows you to test different products and niches to see what sells best and adjust your product offerings accordingly. Low overhead. Because you don't have to keep inventory or pay for storage space, your overhead costs are much lower than a traditional retail business. This allows you to keep your prices competitive and increase your profit margins. Scalability. Dropshipping allows you to easily scale your business up or down as needed. As your sales increase, you can simply order more products from your supplier. If sales slow down, you can reduce your orders accordingly. Location independence. With dropshipping, you can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. This allows you to work remotely and have more flexibility in your lifestyle. No need to handle shipping and handling. The supplier takes care of shipping the product directly to the customer, which reduces the workload of the dropshipper. Greater product diversity. As a dropshipper, you can offer a wider range of products to your customers, as you don't have to worry about the cost and logistics of keeping them in stock. Overall, dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business, as it allows you to sell products without the upfront investment required for traditional retail businesses. Selling courses. Creating and selling online courses is a way to make money by sharing your knowledge and expertise with others. Online courses are self-paced, digital learning experiences that can be taken by students anywhere and at any time. They can be created in a variety of formats, such as video lectures, written tutorials, quizzes, and interactive activities. There are several benefits of creating and selling online courses, including scalability. Once you have created an online course, you can sell it to an unlimited number of students without any additional effort or costs. Passive income. Once an online course is created and marketed, it can continue to generate income for you over time. Reach a global audience. Online courses can be taken by students from anywhere in the world, allowing you to reach a much larger audience than traditional in-person teaching.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We truly appreciate your interest and support. We hope that you found the information provided helpful and informative. If you have any further questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you again for your time and attention.